Hello, boys and girls. This is Teacher Grace, and welcome back to our English class. Today is Friday, the 30th of July, 2021. Our lesson for today is Theme 2, School, Lesson 3. Today is Phonics. We are going to study the three letters for today, D, E, and F. Let's get started. Take out your Smart Start Students book and open it on pages 20 and 21. We are going to sing the alphabets. Yay!
The alphabet song, the alphabet song. Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C.
A, B, C,
D, E, F.
D, E, F,
G, H, I.
G, H, I,
J, K, L.
J, K, L,
M, N, O.
M, N, O,
P, Q, R.
P, Q, R,
S, T.
S, T,
U, V.
U, V,
W.
W,
X, Y, Z. Yeah, yeah.
X, Y, Z.
That's fun! Let's sing it again. Ready, set, go! A, B, C.
A, B, C,
D, E, F.
D, E, F,
G, H, I.
G, H, I,
J, K, L.
J, K, L,
M, N, O.
M, N, O,
P, Q, R.
P, Q, R,
S, T.
S, T,
U, V.
U, V,
W.
W,
X, Y, Z. Yeah, yeah.
X, Y, Z.
The alphabet song, the alphabet song. I love the alphabet song.
Yay! Good job! Let's go back to page 20 and let's start with letter D.
Theme 2, School. Lesson 3. Letter D. 1. Listen and repeat.
Let's
Da.
repeat. The,
Da,
the,
da,
the.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
da,
The,
da,
the,
door.
door. In number 3, we are going to listen, sing along with this song, and let's do the action like this lady knocking on the door. Okay, ready? Let's see.
3. Listen. Sing along.
This is a door. D, d, door. This is a door. D, d, d. This is a door. D, d, door. This is a door. D, d, d.
Great job! Now we're going to play, and Teacher Grace will also play. And I want you to play with me in number 4. Let's go! we are going to listen carefully because in number 4, when you hear the sound D, we are going to hop like this. Hop. All right, let's play together.
4. Listen and play.
Hop when you hear the D sound.
1,
D, 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 K, D,
2,
D, B, D, E, D, K, D, D, B, D,
3,
E, D, D, F, D, B, D, D, D.
Yay! Did you do it? Then you did a good job. Let's move on to letter E.
letter E. 1. Listen and repeat.
E,
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 E.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
E,
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 E.
elephant.
Elephant. Number 3, we are going to sing this song and let's do the action like this, like a trunk of an elephant. Ready? Sing!
I have an elephant. Elephant. I have an elephant. I have an elephant. Elephant. I have an elephant.
4. Listen and play.
Clap when you hear the sound.
1,
Eh, eh,
2,
eh, d, k, g,
3,
g, b, g, b,
Yay! Did you play with Teacher Grace? Great job!
letter F. 1. Listen and repeat. 2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
fish.
Fish. Good. Now in number 3, we are going to sing this song with a fish head. Ready? Let's sing!
This is my fish. Fish. This is my fish. This is my fish. Fish. This is my fish.
Okay, very good. Did you enjoy? I enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it too. Now let's go to page 21. Review. A. Put a tick or a cross. 1. D. Tick or cross. 2. E. Tick or cross. 3. Tick or cross. Letter B. Circle the picture with the correct beginning sounds. So you're going to circle. Circle means wong klong. Good. 1. Eh. Fish or elephant. Number 2. D. Elephant or door. C. Trace the line and finish the word. Eh, 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 eh. What letter is it? Write it here. Number 2. D, 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 d. What letter is it? Write it here. Number 3. What letter is it? Write it here. It's workbook time! Yay! Open your workbook on pages 16 and 17. Let's start with page 16. Letter A. Trace the letters. You are going to trace the letters carefully, okay? From big letter to small letter. D, E, F. Letter B. Circle the correct beginning sounds. Number 1 is already given to you. What is it? Elephant! That's correct. D, E. The correct answer is E. E. Elephant. Okay. Number 2, you're going to do it yourself. E. D. Number 3. E. D. Page 17. C. Trace the letters and draw lines. Letter D. Color the correct beginning sounds. We're done. And that's all for today. And enjoy learning. See you again next time. Goodbye.